In the heart of the desert stood a house sacred since the time of Ibrahim alayhi salam. From the south they came, with fury, steel, and beasts never before seen in Arabia.
He swore to tear down the Kaaba and carve his name into history.
But the people had no army, only faith.
Even the beast knew this was no ordinary house. From the heavens came a fury, unlike anything ever seen. Empires fell, but the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala stood eternal.
Coming soon, witness the miracle that shook kings and protected the sacred.